Evelyn, what are you doing?
Well, I'm looking at early bird registrations, Jasmine.
Do you mean for the Cutting Edge English and Literacy Conference?
I do. You know what they say, the early bird gets the worm.
Wait, are they serving worms at the conference?
No, Jasmine, they're not. Early bird registrations are now open and they close on April 30th.
Also, Evelyn, did you know you get a great discount if you're a member of an English or Literacy Educators Association?
Sign up now by clicking the link below.
This isn't fair, Evelyn. How come birds can come to the conference but students can't? And besides, what happens to the birds that are late? Do they get detention?
Oh, Jasmine.